Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learning English USA. My name is Jessica, and I am very happy to be your host today. Thank you for joining me for another English listening practice lesson. If you are a beginner and want to improve your English listening skills, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence, then this lesson is perfect for you. Today's lesson is designed to be slow, easy, and beginner-friendly. So find a comfortable place, relax, and listen carefully. Remember, you do not need to understand every word. Just focus on listening and enjoying the lesson. Learning English is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. Many students feel nervous when they start learning a new language. They worry about grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. Some learners become frustrated because they cannot understand native speakers. If you feel this way, you are not alone. Millions of English learners around the world experience the same challenges. The important thing is to continue practicing every day. Let's begin by talking about morning routines. Most people have a routine that they follow every morning. A routine is something you do regularly. For example, many people wake up at the same time every day. They brush their teeth, wash their face, eat breakfast, and prepare for work or school. Imagine a typical morning. The alarm clock rings at 6 o'clock. You open your eyes and slowly get out of bed. You stretch your arms and take a deep breath. Then you walk to the bathroom and brush your teeth. After that, you take a shower and get dressed. You go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. Perhaps you eat eggs, toast, fruit, or cereal. While eating breakfast, you may check your phone, read the news, or listen to music. Morning routines are important because they help us start the day in a positive way. A good routine can improve productivity and reduce stress. Some people also spend a few minutes exercising in the morning. Exercise gives energy and helps the body stay healthy. Now let's talk about learning English. Many successful English learners create a daily study routine. They listen to English podcasts, read simple books, learn new vocabulary, and practice speaking. Even 15 or 20 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Imagine a student named Alex. Alex wants to improve his English. Every morning, before going to work, he listens to an English podcast for 20 minutes. During lunch, he reviews vocabulary words on his phone. In the evening, he reads a short English story and practices speaking aloud. After several months, Alex notices a big improvement. He understands more English and feels more confident speaking. The secret to success is consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly. You do not need to study for many hours every day. Small, daily efforts often produce better results than occasional long study sessions. Let's move on to another topic. Imagine you are meeting a new friend. What questions might you ask? You might ask, what is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Or what are your hobbies? These are common questions used in everyday conversations. Let's imagine a conversation. Sarah says, "Hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you." David replies, "Nice to meet you too. My name is David." Sarah asks, "Where are you from?" David says, "I am from Canada." Sarah smiles and says, "That's wonderful. I am from Australia." David asks, "What do you do for work?" Sarah answers, "I am a teacher." David says, That's great. I work as an engineer. Simple conversations like this help people get to know each other. Learning these basic questions and answers can help you communicate with confidence. Now let's talk about hobbies. A hobby is an activity that you enjoy doing in your free time. Everyone has different interests. Some people enjoy reading books. Others enjoy playing sports, watching movies, cooking, gardening, or traveling. Imagine someone asks you, "What are your hobbies?" You might answer, "I enjoy reading books and listening to music." Another person might say, "I enjoy playing football and spending time with my friends." Hobbies are important because they help us relax and enjoy life. They can also be a great topic for conversation. When people discover they share the same hobby, they often become friends more easily. Traveling is another exciting topic. Many people dream of visiting new places and experiencing different cultures. Travel allows us to learn about the world and meet people from different backgrounds. Imagine you are visiting a new city. You walk through beautiful streets, visit museums, try local food, and take photographs. Every new experience teaches you something valuable. Travel can also improve your English because you may need to communicate with people in English. Now let's discuss food. Food is something that everyone enjoys talking about. Different countries have different cuisines and traditions. Some people enjoy spicy food, while others prefer mild flavors. Some people love cooking, and others prefer eating at restaurants. Imagine you are having dinner with friends. One friend orders pasta, another friend orders grilled chicken. Someone else chooses a salad. During the meal, everyone talks, laughs, and enjoys spending time together. Food often brings people together. Family dinners, celebrations, and holidays frequently include special meals. Sharing food is one of the oldest ways people connect with each other. Let's continue with another listening practice story. Emma recently decided to improve her English. She was nervous because she felt her English was not very good. However, she created a simple plan. Every day she listened to English for 30 minutes. She learned 5 new words and practiced speaking for 10 minutes. At first, progress was slow. Emma sometimes felt discouraged, but she continued practicing. After 3 months, she noticed significant improvement. She could understand podcasts more easily and speak with greater confidence. Emma's story teaches an important lesson. Success comes from patience and consistency. Learning a language takes time, but every small effort contributes to improvement. Now let's talk about weather. Weather is a common conversation topic around the world. People often discuss whether it is sunny, rainy, windy, hot, or cold. Imagine waking up and looking outside your window. The sun is shining brightly, and the sky is clear blue. You decide to go for a walk in the park. Birds are singing, children are playing, and people are enjoying the beautiful day. On another day, heavy rain may fall from the sky. You take an umbrella before leaving home. Although rainy weather can be inconvenient, many people enjoy listening to the sound of rain. Weather affects our daily activities. It influences what we wear, where we go, and how we spend our time. Let's move on to another topic. Technology. Technology plays an important role in modern life. Most people use smartphones, computers, and the internet every day. Technology allows us to communicate instantly with people around the world. We can send messages, make video calls, watch educational videos, and access information within seconds. For English learners, technology provides many opportunities. You can listen to podcasts, watch lessons, join online communities, and practice speaking with language partners. However, technology should be used wisely. Spending too much time on social media can be distracting. It is important to balance entertainment with productive activities. Now let's talk about healthy habits. Maintaining good health is essential for a happy life. Healthy habits include eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, sleeping well, and managing stress. Imagine someone who exercises for 30 minutes every day. They go for walks, ride a bicycle, or practice yoga. Over time, these activities improve physical and mental health. Sleep is also very important. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Good sleep improves concentration, mood, and overall well-being. Drinking enough water is another healthy habit. Water helps the body function properly and keeps us hydrated throughout the day. Let's continue with another short story. James wanted to become healthier. He decided to make small changes in his daily routine. Instead of drinking sugary drinks, he drank more water. He started walking every evening after dinner. He also began eating more fruits and vegetables. After several months, James felt stronger and more energetic. His experience shows that small habits can lead to big results over time. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence is important in every area of life, including language learning. Many people hesitate to speak English because they fear making mistakes. The truth is that mistakes are a natural part of learning. Every mistake teaches us something new. The more you practice speaking, the more confident you become. Imagine learning to ride a bicycle. At first, you may fall several times, but with practice, you improve. Eventually, writing becomes easy and natural. Learning English works the same way. Do not wait until your English is perfect before speaking. Start speaking now. Use simple words and sentences. Communication is more important than perfection. Reading is another excellent way to improve English. Reading helps expand vocabulary and improve grammar understanding. Beginners should start with easy materials such as short stories, simple articles, and graded readers. When reading, try not to stop for every unfamiliar word. Focus on understanding the main idea. Over time, your vocabulary will naturally grow. Let's imagine a simple story. Lucy loves reading. Every evening, she reads an English story for 15 minutes. Whenever she finds a new word, she writes it in a notebook. Later, she reviews the words and creates example sentences. After 1 year, Lucy's vocabulary increased significantly. She became a more confident reader and speaker. This example demonstrates how small daily habits can create remarkable progress. Now let's talk about goals. Setting goals helps us stay motivated and focused. A goal gives direction to our efforts. Instead of saying, "I want to improve my English," try setting specific goals. For example, I will learn 10 new words each week. I will listen to English for 20 minutes every day. I will practice speaking 3 times a week. Specific goals make progress easier to measure. Imagine where you could be 1 year from now if you consistently followed these goals. Your listening, speaking, reading, and vocabulary skills would improve dramatically. The future is shaped by the actions we take today. As we approach the end of today's lesson, I would like to remind you that learning English is not a competition. Everyone learns at a different pace. Some people progress quickly, while others need more time. What matters most is consistency. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to the person you were yesterday. If you understand a little more English today than you did last month, you are making progress. Every word you learn, every podcast you listen to, and every sentence you practice brings you closer to your goals. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope this slow and easy listening practice has helped improve your English and boost your confidence. Remember to listen regularly, practice daily, and stay patient with yourself. Language learning is a journey, and every step forward matters. This is Jessica from Learning English USA. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and I will see you again in our next English lesson. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Goodbye.